Karnataka second PUC exams result 2025. Check your marks today at 12:30 p.m. IIT JEE Advanced 2025 registration opens for foreign nationals and OCI PIO candidates. NEET MDS 2025 introduces time-bound sections in question paper. M. Jagdish Kumar retires as UGC chairman after pioneering reforms. CBSE's dual exam policy for Class 10 may alter UAE schools' academic calendar. Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I'm Pallavi Kulkarni. Today's top news are: the Karnataka second PU results for 2025 declared today on April 8th at 12:30 p.m. Students can access their marks memo from 1:30 p.m. onwards on the official website. To view the results, students must log in to their credentials, including roll number, registration number, and CAPTCHA code. The exams were held between March 1 and March 20, and the released results are provisional. Original marks memo will be available at the school later. Last year, over 6.8 lakh students appeared with a pass percentage of 81.15%. The registration for IIT JEE Advanced 2025 started on April 7 for foreign nationals, OCI and POI candidates at jeeadw.ac.in. The last date for registration is May 2 and the fee payment deadline is May 5 by 5 p.m. The application fee is Rs 3,200 with a reduced cost of 1,600 for female candidates and reserved category candidates. The exam will be held on May 18, 2025 and the result will be announced by June 2nd. Candidates must be among the top 2.5 lakh JEE main qualifiers to register. The joint seat allocation for IITs and other institutions will follow and the schedule will be announced separately by JOSAAA. The National Board of Examinations in Medical Science has announced that the NEET MDS 2025 exam will feature mandatory time-bound sections. The question paper will be divided into two parts. Part A will have 100 questions with 75 minutes allotted and Part B will have 140 questions with 105 minutes allotted. Candidates must complete each section within the designated time and once the time for a part ends, they cannot review or modify their answers. The exam will be held on April 19, 2025 in computer-based program. A demo test will be available on the NBEMS website starting from April 9, 2025. Result will be announced by May 19, 2025. Mamidala Jagdish Kumar has retired as the chairman of the University Grants Commission after a significant tenure starting in February 2022. He implemented several student-centric reforms during his leadership, reshaping India's higher education landscape. A graduate of IIT Madras with MS and PhD in electrical engineering, Kumar previously served as the Vice Chancellor of Jawaharlal Nehru University. He held various academic positions at IIT Delhi. Known for his research in nano-electronic devices and power semiconductor devices, he has published over 250 papers and 3 books. The UGC expressed gratitude for his contributions and wished him well in future endeavors. The Central Board of Secondary Education has introduced a dual exam system for Class 10 students, allowing in February and April exams starting in 2025-26 academic year. While the policy aims to reduce stress and give students a second chance to improve their scores, it presents challenges for CBSE schools in UAE. These schools follows an academic calendar from April to March, and the second exam in April may delay the start of the grade 11 until students finish their exams. Educators have expressed mixed reactions. Some see it as a positive move, while others highlight concerns about resource management and syllabus completion. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such news and detailed information, log into our website www.theenn.com, powered by Education Today. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and follow our channel.